Good morning, students. In the last class, I teach you about addition, right? So today I will teach you about regrouping. Okay, while adding any number, how we can regroup the numbers. Okay, so by one activity, we will understand how to regroup any number. Okay, so let's see. Now students, open page 163, page number, and see the exercise 2, first question. Regroup the following. So here we have to regroup these number. Okay, so now see the first one. So in ones place 16 is there, and in tens place 0 is there. Okay, so it is just like the leaves. Okay, so 16 leaves are there in ones place, and in tens place no leaves are there, right? Now we can't place two digits together, right? So that means in ones place and in tens place, in ones place we can't place two digits. Okay, we have to put only one digit. So what we will do, we'll make one bundle, right? So bundle of what? Of the numbers, right? So just like the leaves, we'll collect 10 numbers, or I can say 10 leaves. Okay, because 10 leaves will make one tens, right? So if I remove 10 from the ones place, right, and give it to tens, then it will make what? One bundle of leaves, right? And remaining, how many leaves are there in ones place? 6 leaves are there, right? This one is one method through which you can regroup this number. Okay, one more method is there. So whenever there will be two digits, okay, in ones place, what we basically do, suppose 16 is there, and this one is tens, this one is ones. So we'll write the last digit in the ones place. Okay, and the digit, okay, that is placed before 6, we'll place it, or I can say we'll give it to the tens place, right? So in tens place, here though 0 is there, that means no number is there. So 0 plus 1, it will be how much? 1. So in tens we'll get 1, and in ones we'll get 6. This is the another way of doing this one. Okay, Okay, let's do some more questions. Now see B part. See B part. So here 15 is there, right? So just imagine this one is tens place, this one is ones place. So in ones place we will put the last digit, that is 5, right? And we'll give this 1 to the tens place. But we know that in tens place already 2 is there. So what we will do, we'll do plus 2 with that number. So it will become what? 3. So our answer will be what? 35. That means 3 and 5 will be placed in ones and tens place. Okay, so here 3 we will write. Okay, let's do some other questions. So now see C part. So again tens place and ones place is there. So in ones place 17 is there, right? So we'll write 7 in the ones place, and this 1 will place it in the tens place, right? But in tens place already 3 is there, so we'll add these 3 with the 1. It will become what? 4. So our answer will be what? 47. That means 7 will be in the ones place and 4 will be in the tens place. So we'll write 4 here. Like this only you have to do this one. Okay, before sending this number to the tens place, check is there any number that is placed in the tens place or not. If there will be any number in the tens place, you have to add these numbers, these two numbers. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now D, E and F you will do it by yourself. Okay, now see question number 2, fill in the blanks. So 13 ones. So how you can separate these 13 ones, because we can't write 13 2 digits in ones place, right? Suppose 13 leaves are there, right? How you can separate these leaves? We'll collect 10 leaves, right? And place it in the tens place value, right? So if I collect 10 from 13, right, 3 will remain in the ones place, right? And how many bundles we can make in the tens place? Only one bundle, right? So 1 we will place here. Okay, now see the B part. So 5 tens and 13 ones are there. So that means tens and ones. So 13 ones, that means 13 is there. So we'll put 3 in the ones place and we'll give 1 to the tens place. But in tens place already 5 is there, right? So we'll add 5 with 1. It will become what? 6. So our answer will be what? 6 tens and 3 ones, right? So we'll write 6 tens and 3 ones. Okay, now see the C part. 19 ones are there. So this one, just separate, just make one bundle of tens. Okay, you just collect 10 tens. So here it will remain 9, right? And how many bundles we can make? Only one bundle. Okay, now see the D part. 8 tens and 11 ones are there, right? So tens and ones again. Now in ones 11 is there. So we'll put this last digit in the ones place, because we can't place two digits together. Now this 1 will give it to the tens place. But in tens place already 8 is there. So what we will do? We'll add these 8 with 1. It will become how much? 9. So our answer will be what? 9 tens plus 1 1. Okay. I hope you have understood this one. Now see E. So E part 6, 10s, 12, 1s is there. So 10s and 1s. So in 1s 12 is there, so we'll put 2 and we'll give 1 to the 10s place. But in 10s place already 6 is there, so we'll add this 6 with 1. It will become what? 7. So now 7 tens, we'll get this 7 right. And here how many, what will be the 10 ones? It will be 2. 2 ones. Okay, so now this F, G and H, you will do it by yourself. Okay, and these things you have to do in your classwork copy. Okay, is it clear? So that's all for today. In our next class we will discuss about addition, okay, with regrouping.